Flat text is boring. Let's turn it 3D. Ever wondered how to make your text pop right off the screen? In this chapter, I'll show you how to create a 3D text effect in CapCut that instantly grabs attention. This is perfect for YouTube intros, gaming montages, and any project where you want your titles to look bold and professional. Even if you've never tried 3D text before, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to add depth and dimension to your text like a pro. Welcome to Master It Now, where learning never stops. Simple, step-by-step tutorials to help you learn anything and master everything.
Now I'll show you how to create the 3D text effect in CapCut. First, go to the text section at the top and drag any text onto your timeline. For this example, let's just type HD. Adjust the font and size until you're happy with the look. Once your text is ready, right-click it and select Create Compound Clip. Add a black background to your text clip. Go to Canvas, drop down Color, choose Black. Next, add your background media to the timeline. Highlight the media, go to the video basic settings on the right, scroll down to Blend, and from the drop-down select Multiply. Now you'll see your video showing through the text. To enhance the effect, copy the media, paste it on top, and change its blend mode back to normal. Then under Video, remove BG, apply Auto Removal. Play the video, and you'll see a clean 3D text effect with your media moving inside the text. Before we jump into the next lesson, make sure you're subscribed so you can follow along easily.
Pretty cool, right? Here's the thing. Tutorials like this are often hidden behind expensive courses, but here you're getting them completely free. All we ask is that you support us with a like, hit that subscribe button, share this with a friend who edits, and let us know in the comments what you'll create with this effect. See you in the next chapter.